Switching our focus to Ayodhya verdict now and a fallout of that, the All India Muslim Personal Law Board will meet in Lucknow today to discuss the Ayodhya case verdict. The board will decide whether to file review petition against the Supreme Court verdict and whether to accept the 5-acre land that the Apex Court ordered the government to give for construction of the mosque. The Supreme Court had on November 9th handed over the disputed land to the Hindus for construction of the Ram temple and another 5-acre in the Ayodhya town to be given to the Muslim board for the construction of the mosque. Alok Pandey joining us for more on this. Alok, we've heard few sections and you in fact interviewed some sections of the Muslim side petitioners over there who said they were not interested in reviewing. So how exactly is this different from those who are meeting today?
The All India Muslim Personal Law Board is an overarching body of Muslim intellectuals and stakeholders in the society. They are not direct litigants in the case, so they did not fight this case in any manner, but they helped the individual litigants with financial and legal support. That's what they did. Now, they are meeting today. The executive committee will meet today and they will decide whether to appeal this verdict or not. Now, do remember that they cannot directly appeal the verdict because they are not stakeholders in the legal battle, as in they are not litigants in the battle. But obviously, they say that they have some individual litigants on board. Remember, there were like 5 or 6 litigants, individual and group litigants in the case. So they have some individual litigants on board who, if they give their stamp of approval, then the Muslim Personal Law Board will announce that they are going to go in for an appeal of the verdict. Now, as you were pointing out, 2 significant things. The 2 main stakeholders in the case, number 1, the Sunni Central Waqf Board, and second, the Jamiyat Ulema-e-Hind. Both of these organizations are undecided about the appeal. In fact, the Sunni Central Waqf Board, which is the most prominent litigant in this case, has clearly said on record that we are not interested in appealing this decision and that the only call that we need to take is whether to accept this 5 acres of land that the Supreme Court has asked be given to them. That's the call they're going to take on the 26th of November. The Jamiyat met in Delhi a while ago. While they called the judgment strange, at the same time, they did not take a call on a review, saying that they were still studying the judgment as it is 1,000 pages long. So given this context, while there might be a lot of hype around this meeting, it will be interesting to see how things proceed. And that's why we're keeping an eye on it. And we will keep you posted about what decision is made in this meeting.
All right. Thanks, Alok, for breaking down that entire meeting for us.